Today I'm going to show you how to download and install CapCut on your PC or laptop. And trust me, it's super easy. So let's just jump straight into it. First things first, we're going to grab CapCut from the Microsoft Store. Now the reason I recommend this over downloading it from a random website is that it's safe, it's official, and it installs cleanly without any extra junk. So go ahead and click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and just type in Microsoft Store. Open it up, and once you're inside, click on the search bar at the top and type in CapCut. You'll see it pop up right away. That's the one we want. Now just give it a second to load up the page, and once it does, hit that install button. Windows will start downloading it automatically, so just sit back and let it do its thing. Once the download is done, it'll install on its own. You don't need to do anything extra. And when it's ready, you'll see it say installed or open. That's it. You're done with the installation part. Now close out of the Microsoft Store. The CapCut icon will be visible on your desktop. You can double-click to open it directly, or head back to the search bar at the bottom, type in CapCut, and open it up. The first time you launch it, you might see a small pop-up that says, "Testing the environment." Don't worry about that. It's totally normal. Just wait a few seconds, and it'll tell you, your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Go ahead and hit Confirm. Now you will also see the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy wizard. Just click Agree and Continue. And just like that, CapCut is up and running. From here, you can either browse through some templates or just click New Project to start fresh. I'll go with New Project, then hit Import to bring in my footage. And from there, you're all set to start editing. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. It really does help the channel grow. I'll see you in the next one.